Okay.
So,
Time to die.
Yeah, time to die. Time to explode into many little pieces. Welcome everyone to part 3.
Welcome.
This is, as it's been recently dubbed, Exploding Skulls. It's probably not the best name, but hey, it's a name at least.
It's fitting.
Yeah. It's not just our skulls exploding, it's also the enemies at least, so that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So hopefully this time, this is episode 3, we've pretty much solved our audio issues, so hopefully there won't be any echoey business happening.
Yeah, nah, I've moved my entire setup into a different room, so hopefully that fixes that.
Yeah.
If it doesn't, then I'll be bloody surprised as to why I didn't do it.
Then we just have a whole bunch of more questions after that.
That just raises
So anyway,
further questions.
This time we're doing Truth and Reconciliation. This is gonna be messed up with the skulls that we have on.
God, yeah, like all
This is
those
gonna be
tight,
hard.
narrow corridors. The amount of grunts that are in this level. Part-time at
I'm
20,
gonna
you
get
reckon we'll do it?
exploded so much. My stats at the end of this are gonna be horrendous. Like,
Oh, I forgot what your stats
can
were
already
for
feel
part
it.
2.
I think I had a couple of deaths. I don't remember how many deaths you had.
You had 2 deaths
had
in
at least-
part 1.
Yeah, I think I had 3 in part 2 because there was one bit where I died and then I immediately went back to the same spot and did the exact same thing again and died again.
yeah.
So I'm like, yeah, fair enough. That makes sense.
I think I died once or twice on that second level.
The enemy has captured Captain Keyes and are holding him aboard one of their cruisers.
The Truth and Reconciliation.
The ship is currently holding position approximately 300 meters above the other end of this plateau.
So how do we get inside the ship if it's in the air? The Corps issued me a rifle, not wings.
There's a gravity lift that ferries troops and supplies between the ship and the surface.
Okay.
Take it in.
I feel
Oh,
like
you're not even holding a gun in my thing.
you are. You're holding a sniper on my screen.
You weren't holding
Let's
anything.
do it.
It's
So there is a
doing-
way to do this stealthily, and for the life of me, I don't know. I did it when I was younger, and I can't do it again. Oh boy.
Yeah, see,
I just
like,
realized.
oh, what? What have you done?
Well, all these grunts are going to explode.
Oh dear God.
So it's not like we could have done that stealthily anyway.
That's true. That is very true. Oh, would you just?
There's an elite at the back there
Ow.
on that shade turret.
Yeah, I was trying to get him, but I just kept getting shot at
Oh,
instead.
wait a second. Yeet! I'll press
Yeet.
LB because I've been playing Destiny. Whoa, there he goes.
Ah. He did not want to die. I can
Choose
show him
some
how
move.
it's done.
Oh, are you dead already?
No, but I probably
Okay.
will be soon. How?
Ow, 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 ow.
Ow! Oh!
Oh, there he got him.
Oh, I didn't expect.
Marines,
Whoa.
don't stand near those things. This is the level that I was
Marines,
playing
don't
with
stand near
Brandon
the
that time.
grunts.
Alright, cool. One grunt dead.
Yay!
Ow. There he is again.
Oh,
There he goes
I
again.
wasted a bullet.
Yeah, no, I saw that grunt. He flew straight up. Oh, sorry, excuse me. He flew straight up, and I was like, oh, he's coming back down eventually. There he
Oh,
goes.
I keep forgetting I need to use those grunts tactfully. I need to
Tackily.
use tactics.
Oh, I got blown off the edge. What? Ah! That's not fair.
Ow!
Bloody hell.
That is so not Raven.
That is so not Raven.
I've never even seen
Wait.
that show in my life.
No, neither have I. Yeah.
Because we don't get Disney Plus.
We don't?
Ow!
Ow!
Oh!
What was that?
What?
Is that a grenade
Where?
from a Marine? Stupid Marine. Think. Oh, that's a few of them.
I go rock climbing.
there he goes.
Nah. Rock climbing.
Do
Yes.
I go rock climbing?
Yes, rock climbing.
Nice.
How did I miss that? Oh, I'm so bad.
I'm so sad I've already lost my sniper rifle.
Oh.
Wow, you hit me hard.
What gun do you have instead?
I just threw away my plasma pistol, picked up a plasma rifle. So I have a assault rifle and a plasma rifle.
Oh.
It doesn't respawn you with a sniper.
Detected up ahead.
Oh.
The path up on the
Yeah.
left should let us sneak up around.
I got pushed off the edge somehow.
I think there was some grunts like above us, and so they were getting killed and they were exploding. That might have been what knocked you off.
It was a while back. It was like I was at the back of the pack, if anything.
Cortana to fire team Charlie.
Ah.
So I have no idea.
Oh.
Should be able to
Hey, bro.
Nice, good shot.
Thank you. I stole the kill from you.
To be very fair, you liberated a
It-
kill from me.
It was delicious, thank you. Come out. Aw.
There he goes. There he goes.
Whoa.
Ah, invis.
That turret really flew.
He really went sailing. So I guess really the downside of obviously not being the same room is that we can't react straight away because we're both on Discord. So like our reactions are like a split delayed.
Yeah, that's definitely the downside. Makes editing a bit more difficult as
Does
well.
a little. Oh, there it
Way! Look at him go! It was
is. Boy, has
beautiful.
he got legs. What does that mean? Who knows?
Whoa! Hello.
He seemed to say. Also, I forgot we were playing this on Legendary.
Yeah, that's. Wait.
Makes things harder.
Come back here! I'm so bad with the sniper rifle. Go shoot him in the
back.
butt. Oh.
There we go. I whacked him. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh dear, you okay?
I heard. Yeah, no, I heard the grunt die. I was like, oh, I need to not be here.
Oh, you got him.
Yep, there he is.
Kablami!
I was just waiting for the explosion to go off, so I didn't have to get any closer.
I get.
Dropships are inbound.
Oh yeah, watch out for the hunters explosions,
Oh, yes.
'cause that's coming up.
That's a good point. Yes, I'm just gonna try and snipe him from... No, Ronan! Ronan!
Kill him.
That is the doggo.
Yes. Upset that he's not getting any attention.
Yup, having a bit of a boof.
Ah, I'm in shot. Go away. Oh, he lived. Awesome. I need granadas.
The granadas! Oh dear! Oh dear! Okay, we're good.
Oh, that wasn't good. That's a bad grenade.
I don't quite know how I survived that. That grunt threw a grenade. I should have died.
I need a weapon. I need
Oh,
a weapon.
I died. Shit.
Oh, well.
Hi, Ronan.
Wait, they're all gone. Nope, they're all gone.
Yeah.
Come on.
Ronan, do you mind?
Oh, no, I'm dead now.
Oh no! We're both dead.
Oh, what a
Oh.
harsh reset. Man, his melee hit me far.
Ow!
That is a rough reset.
Yeah, that sucks.
I'm gonna slap that dog in a second.
He's not even
First-
barking at anything. He's barking because the chihuahua in the front house is barking.
I bark with you, yes? Yes?
Yeah,
No,
he's like,
no.
this is how we bond.
Yeah. Alright. Back. I'm invisible. How did you shoot me? Back.
Alert! Covenant dropships
Ow.
are inbound.
It always felt like such a waste using
Oh.
these rounds on the grunts.
I know. But now they're like
Ow.
explosive rounds.
I know, now they're like little grenades onto themselves. Love it.
Oh, come back. Why did you run so fast, damn it?
Ah!
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Behind you, Liz.
Behind me?
You ran right past the
Oh,
elites.
wow.
Oh, I'm
Hi!
dead.
Oh, I dropped down. Oh, are you
Oh.
dead?
Yeah. I got blued up. I
Try
had
and
1 bar of
respawn
health.
you.
I'm back.
Yay! Oh yeah, I like dropped down past them. Wow, thank you.
Oh, that's alright. I didn't know what you're thinking of me.
Oh,
I
you let
died.
me know.
Okie doke. Ow.
Ow! Stab it!
Why? What? My like face cam just said it might be you have like performing issues. I'm like, what do you mean I have performing issues? I'm trying my hardest, damn it.
I'm fabulous, how dare you? Alright,
I don't know if I got that far.
Oh, did you sticky him?
That was me.
Nice!
Alert. Covenant
I
drones
yeeted that
report
across the
inbound.
globe. Well, across the world.
What's that? How
Alright,
dare.
blow up. Thank you. And grenade. They all ran right past
Granada!
it.
Pew!
Ooh. Send the elite.
Kablami! That went really well.
That was better than expected.
It went swimmingly. Granada!
Ow.
Oh my god, did you see that?
I saw the aftermath of that, yes.
He shot directly upwards back into the ship.
Nice.
Oh man, I really hope that got captured as well as I hope it. Whoa,
Whoa.
kablami!
all
Nothing
those
beats flying across the country. Ah! I didn't want to. Oh, I died.
Oh, damn it.
I think I know what my sniper rifle is though. I'm gonna go get my
let's
gun.
I get it first.
No! I don't want this crappy little gun.
How fiendish of you.
Oh, I've got no grenades. It has no granadas. Found
Oh.
it. I have granadas. Ow. Ow! Stop it.
Where is he?
Sticky him.
Ah!
Kablami! Did I get you?
Ah! Ah! Oh god, I've got 2 bars
Yeah.
of health again. That grunt was crying in fear, but still shooting at him.
Oh, I dropped the wrong gun. Crap. I've just got
What?
a
What do you
sniper
mean?
rifle in this crappy one. Oh well. Granada!
Oh, what?
I overshot my target.
What?
Wait, did he kill you?
He did!
Granada!
He came flying at me,
Oh.
screamed, and then punched me.
Ow. Oh, I
Oh.
died. That was so
Oh no,
bad.
is that another big reset? Oh, that's not that bad of a reset at least.
Eeh. Okay, well, once again, I'm pretty sure I know where my sniper rifle is, so... Oh wait, no, you were dead as well, weren't you?
Yeah,
Were
we
you?
both died.
Crap.
Just then.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like wherever your corpse was just before this one, where you first lost it.
Okay.
Stop! Bloody hitting me!
What's that?
Yeah.
Where is my gun? That is some nonsense. Crap.
That's some bullshit.
Ah, there we go. Yes.
Oh my god. Oh dear. You sent him to the moon.
It's never not gonna make me laugh. Granada! Oh, I overshot my target a bit there.
Oop. Oh, got that one.
Granada!
Whoa, whoa. Stop hitting me so much, elite.
Oh, these grenades are fantastic, but it's gonna be chaos once we're inside.
Oh oh dear. Oh my. Where'd that last one go?
Ow.
Oh, you got him.
Yeah.
I got him.
Ah, good. Thank you. I was having
now the
trouble with that
elites.
one.
I mean, elites. The other one.
Yeep.
What are they? Hunters.
Hunters. I've got... What do I got? 15 rounds in my sniper rifle,
I've
so I'll
got
just try
a
and
will to
snipe them
Oh, you
in
got
the
him.
butt. That's one.
Nice.
Please distract the other one. Thank
I
you.
am distracting. I am distracting.
I'm reloading.
Distracting. Oh, I'm gonna die from this fall. Oh, damn it. Yep, there it is.
Cortana to
Sorry.
I went sailing.
gravity lift and a
Thank you for distracting him for me.
I distracted him for so long. Where
you
were
done
you?
good. I was there.
Once we're inside the ship, I can home in on the
Where's my
captain's
body?
command neural interface.
It
The
should
fog
have
will be
grenades.
in or near
Yes.
the ship's brig, which should narrow
Oh, your other gun is over here. Do you want it?
419
I have another gun.
clear to drop.
Your assault rifle, I think.
I spawned with one.
Oh, okay. Because there's lots of ammo
Yeah.
here as well.
Yeah, I full on ammo.
Alright, I'm gonna take the ammo.
Full of ammo.
Because I am not full of ammo. Alright!
Come on, Marines, hurry up. Get on
Come
the
on,
ship.
hurry up! Come on, cannon
I'm
fodder,
gonna
let's
I'm
go!
gonna do this in classic mode.
Oh. Classic.
Zoop. Back when the armor was like just sheets of metal.
Wouldn't you just be weeing yourself? I'd be like, we're gonna go up into these things, into this ship, and they're just gonna be waiting for us. Like, how could they not know what just happened on the ground?
Yeah.
Like,
And then it's like,
you just
oh,
expect a
guess
couple of
nobody's
elites there
home.
with energy swords just knifing everyone who comes up. Oh!
No,
I'm invisible. Oops.
nobody's
Oops.
home. You had
It
to
was a
open
bad
your
time
mouth.
for me to have done this. Hey, bro, with an energy sword! Oh, how could he see me? Oh yeah, I was shooting. That's probably how he could see me.
Oh, I was hurting him. Thing is,
I was
don't
like,
know
I'm
how to get
invisible.
you
He
back.
won't go for me. Oof.
I may have killed a few Marines doing that.
Ah, I'm up.
Yay.
Oh, I gotta find my damn sniper rifle again.
Oh, if you can
Oh,
find it,
that's
that
mine.
is.
Yeah.
Having it like blown across the entire map.
But I haven't got any grenades.
Oh.
I have no granadas. Oh,
Whoa.
dead.
Yep.
That got
Oh,
me.
and I'm
oh,
dead too.
oh dear.
There's an explosion behind me apparently.
That sucked. Hey, I'm invisible again. I got my sniper rifle back. Excellent.
Oh man, me and Brandon spent so long on just this area because of this room. Because it sent grunts across the entire room. You're
Uh-oh,
like, no, we're
that's
safe.
a bomb. Whoa. Oh dear.
It's hard to tell
Oh my god.
where the bad things come from.
Oh, please stop exploding.
Enemies!
I love a good granada, but oh,
Ah! How did... what? What?
what happened?
He was just on top. He was just on top of
Oh.
the wraith for no reason.
Oh,
he
balls!
yelled at me and
Oh.
sung.
I didn't realize he was there.
I
Alright.
just turned around and there was just a gold class elite like looking at me. I was like, oh well, I'm dead. Oh,
He's
behind
up.
us.
He's up. He's invisible.
Another one behind you. Behind you.
Oh, run, 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 run.
Whoa.
All right, that went
was
way better
lucky.
than last time.
There's another one somewhere.
There he is, in the middle. Oh, I died, but I took him with me.
A sniper rifle.
Oh, you! Oh, there's another one. Snipe him good! Good job.
There you go.
Oh
You haven't
dear.
respawned
Run,
yet, have you?
Run, run, run. Sorry.
Ah!
Oh
You
my
haven't
god,
respawned
there's
yet,
another
you
one!
Nice.
I'm up, yeah.
Good.
Oops,
Ow.
I shot you, sorry.
Oh, there's a lot of grenades over there.
Oh, dead.
Oh, another one.
I'm down.
Oh dear.
Godspeed, man.
Oh, so many
Don't get
explosions.
deaded, I'm up!
Don't get deaded. How many of you are there? Oh, don't cut to me on that one. That was bad.
Oh, I have no grenades! I have no granadas! Oh dear. Ow.
Dead.
Oh,
That was a
balls.
trail of explosions. The sniper rifle's in play.
Ah! No, I was so
Aw.
close to getting it.
Oh,
crap.
back here again.
Bugger.
Where is he? He's over there. Got it,
Alright,
nice.
he's
Well done.
down.
Grenade.
Granada.
Another grenade.
Ah, replacement.
Oh dear. No, no.
Okay, I'm ready with the snipes.
Alright. I need grenades, but they keep blowing up before I can get them.
Oh!
Itchy face.
Oh. It's terrifying when you just see a grunt flying towards you and you're like, no, no.
That's me dead.
Yep.
What? Oh, I think there was a marine that threw a grenade just then.
Oh, I threw one. That was probably me.
It was you who threw one.
Oh, I'm stuck. My
What's going
game
on
is
here?
frozen.
Oh.
That's
well,
not good.
good.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
You're not in game, are you?
Hello? I can't move. I can look around, but like I can't move. That's weird.
Odd.
It's really weird.
Oh, I'm dead anyway. So if
That's
you're not
so
back
weird,
in this one. Oh, wait. What?
I can't shoot.
I see you.
That's so weird. Like my whole game is frozen.
The elite just killed you. And now you're
Oh,
moving.
good.
Can you move now?
Nope.
What?
That's
is
really weird.
happening? You broke the game.
That is so weird. I can like go into my start menu, but I just can't move and everything's frozen. That is so
Alright,
weird.
well, we'll have to restart that one.
Yeah.
Um,
Join us back here, guys.